10 digital products that can easily make over $1,250 per week. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will show you guys some amazing digital products that are still working in 2023, that are still functioning, that are still high in sales, and that still have a good amount of demand. So let's get into it. Now, there are some major factors why I support creating digital products over trying to start dropshipping or any other business model. The reason for that is, first off, it is low risk. It costs you almost nothing to create these products. Secondly, it is super low maintenance. Once you create a journal, once you create one item, you don't really have to make many part twos of items. You can really make different themes, different templates, but you really don't have to make a second version or have to upkeep with it. And once you have uploaded your item, you can get sales for a very, very long time. Thirdly, it is amazing passive income. If I take a look at what I have earned in terms of dropshipping versus digital product, I definitely think that the effort I put in while making digital products was a lot more worthwhile. It gave me a lot more money rather than having to actively, monitor my dropshipping business. So these are just some of the reasons I have made this list, and this is a very curated list. I'm not going to tell you guys all the products you can make. No, these are products that are still very much in high demand and can still be created with the purpose of getting instant sales as well. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing I actually recommend are blogger templates. Now, a lot of you guys might not have heard of them, but bloggers are usually influencers or moms, or a lot of it is revolving around lifestyle and fashion, and the people trying to start blogs don't really know how to get started with these kinds of, social media techniques. And those people look for marketing templates, look for blogger templates. Now, you can see you can create website templates as well as just basic blogging templates. So Instagram reel templates, cover reel templates, whatever it might be, they are selling very well on Etsy. You can see even a template like this one. This is a very basic looking template. It is simple, easy, and it only costs $2.99, but it has over 2,172 sales. So if I was just to whip out my handy dandy calculator over here, so selling only at $2.99 multiplied by the total number of sales. This specific template, this very easy, simple, clean aesthetic template has generated over $6,494. So that is why it is so effective to create digital products like these. Now, moving on to our second recommendation for digital products, we have Instagram captions. Now, a lot of you might wonder, hey, Instagram captions are not something we can sell. Well, they actually are, because a lot of large marketing agencies, a lot of large companies are looking for captions to post, because social media has become an integral part of any business, and it's super essential that they have, Instagram captions that are not very generic but are just good to hear. And you can see these are in bundle forms. You will have to write like 70. And I'm not saying that you have to get started with all of these digital products. If you're not very creative in terms of writing, you can skip ahead and you can watch the other, digital products that I'm going to recommend. So you have to stay in tune, because if this is not your strong suit, you can definitely try out the other product types that I'm going to recommend. So Instagram captions are relatively easy to create. You can even use platforms like ChatGPT, but I wouldn't recommend using ChatGPT. I would recommend using it as a base form and using the AI to get, some basic ideas, and then, changing them up a little. I wouldn't copy and paste them, because ChatGPT bases the items based on, all the information it has, so it might have something that's a bit generic. But you can theme them as well. So jewelry captions, and this one has generated over 3,320 sales, and it sells for $5.52. So you definitely can see, just the proof is in the numbers, and the numbers are doing very well for these kinds of products. Now, moving on to our next product, we have email templates. Now, as I said, social media marketing and any other kind of marketing is essential, and email templates can be built both in the form of code. If you're someone that has experience in coding, you can actually code one as well. But it doesn't matter if you're just someone that knows how to use Canva, that knows how to use, some basic design softwares. You can easily build one on Canva as well, because people are just looking for some nice template that is going to make their email look professional, especially in terms of marketing for consumable items. By that I mean fashion, lifestyle, clothing, jewelry, accessories, shoes, those items that get seasonal newsletters. They have new drops every few weeks, and those kinds of brands always need a good template to send out to their customers. So that is why email templates still sell very well. And if I just take a look at some of the basic templates, so these are Canva templates, and these are 67 email newsletter templates. Now a lot of you guys may be wondering, hey, 67 is a large number, but these are actually newsletter templates, and these are probably made off of a very basic design. They're pretty similar, so you don't have to worry about that. And it has 1964 sales. So it definitely is a amazing product to create, and is going to be super basic and simple to create as well. Now moving on to our next digital product, which is resume templates. Now all of us have had that time when we were 18 and we were trying to find how to write a resume, but a lot of people search for resume templates. And if you can make a good one, or you can just go into Canva, take a look at some of the pre-existing templates, base your ideas off of that, and create a simple template. Now this template is actually a paid for template, and you guys can see it's very basic, but these are the types of templates people are looking for, that are easy, simple, and not excessive. So you can definitely build a amazing template on Canva and for resumes and start selling that as well. But make sure the theme is minimalistic, because those actually sell a lot more than super, colorful resumes or cover letters. So you can just write one of those. I'm pretty sure any of you guys have written one for yourself, and you can just put in the extra effort to write one, and that is it. And that is all you have to do to get your digital products. Now, moving on to our next category, we actually have calendar templates. Now, these can be created in the form of a journal. So I have the next product as digital journal, and those are a little more complicated to create. We do have some detailed tutorials on the YouTube channel for you guys to check out to create your digital journal. But you can actually create a basic calendar template where people can just write down notes on dates, and that is it. That is just for organizational purposes. Those are still going to be a good seller, and you can easily just sell them on Etsy or any other platform. Then you have digital journals. Now journals sell very well. They are often used on apps like GoodNotes. You just design them on Canva, and people can use it on GoodNotes and write their notes down, plan their days, so on and so forth. I definitely do think it is worthwhile. I do say that if you're going to make a journal, it's going to take you some time. It's going to take you a couple of hours, and it's going to take you some effort, but it still is a very, very highly demanded item. You can see over here we have a 365-day journal. It's selling for $2.61, and it has over 4,666 sales. So it's definitely worth the effort. Now the next item that I actually recommend is coloring books. Now coloring books can easily be created on Canva. I have a tutorial posted up on that, on how you can create coloring books on Canva, and you don't have to do any of the printing or anything. Amazon KDP handles all that, and they are a very safe option in terms of digital products. And I also have things such as commercial license graphics. So if you are a creative and you guys know how to build designs, so the elements that we use on Canva or any other thing. So if you can create templates, or you can create vector graphics, you can create product mockups, you can make fonts, Shopify themes. If you have any of those talents, you can make a commercial licensed graphic, and you can sell them on platforms like creativemarket.com. You can take a bunch of ideas from here as well on the types of graphics that you can sell and what is selling well as well. This is definitely for a niche category of you guys, because not everyone is a digital creator, but I definitely do think that it is worthwhile. Now moving on to our next item, we have marketing templates. Now marketing templates go pretty much hand in hand with social media templates, because they are very essential and every brand needs one. Now for this, you have to include things like engagement things, so things that can increase your engagement, captions, Instagram captions, and you can market this towards a certain niche as well. So we have a real estate social media bundle, and in this way you can create a marketing strategy for any specific type of business and sell it on Etsy, and you can easily sell it for over $20. This one has over 5,000 sales, so you can definitely see the proof is in the pudding. And our last item that is a amazing digital product is party decor. So this is printable party decor actually, and people can simply buy your prints and it's just party decor as it would be. This is like the baby shower bundle. You don't have to ship it or anything. You just have, you know, the templates ready and people just print it out on their own. And that is it. And the best part about this sells for quite a lot of money. You have to make one theme and you can sell it for over $20 to $30, anywhere in between that. And this one has over 3,000 sales. So it is definitely going to make you a lot of money. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video.